In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zoho Books for beginners. By the end of this session, you should have a solid foundation for navigating the platform to manage your finances efficiently and effectively. So let's jump right in. First things first, you'll need to open your web browser and go to the Zoho Books website. You can do this by typing zoho.com/books into the address bar and hitting enter. Once the homepage loads, you'll notice a menu on the upper right corner. It's important at this stage to ensure you've landed on the right site, as Zoho offers a variety of services and apps beyond just Zoho Books. Once you're on the main Zoho Books page, you'll want to locate the Sign In button. This is usually prominently displayed and should be easy to spot. Click on Sign In to proceed. If you already have an account, go ahead and enter your login details. If you don't yet have an account, you might need to create one first, which usually involves entering some basic personal or business information and verifying your email. After you've logged in successfully, you will be directed to the Zoho Books homepage. It's useful to take a moment here to get a feel for the layout. On this homepage, you'll have access to a variety of options showcasing the different functionalities that Zoho Books offers. If you're new to the platform, don't hesitate to explore these options and familiarize yourself with what's available. There's often help or tooltips scattered across the platform to guide you along. Now that you're on the homepage, your next stop is the dashboard. The dashboard provides a summary view of your financial status. It includes key metrics like your income and expenses, and gives an overview of business performance indicators which are integral to understanding your company's financial health. Getting accustomed to the dashboard is crucial, as it will be your go-to for a snapshot of your finances. Don't worry if it seems a bit overwhelming at first. With a little bit of exploration and experience, you'll find it incredibly intuitive and useful for staying on top of things. Feel free to dive into different sections of the dashboard, and remember that Zoho Books is a tool designed to adapt to both small and mid-sized businesses. As you explore, keep an eye out for any additional features that may be particularly beneficial for your specific business needs, whether it's invoicing, expense tracking, or even managing contacts and projects. So there you have it, a simple walkthrough on getting started with Zoho Books and accessing its dashboard for beginners. Remember, the key is to take things step by step and get comfortable with one feature at a time. You'll find that Zoho Books can be a powerful ally in managing your financial books with ease and efficiency. Thanks for watching, and happy accounting.